Hey everybody, I am gonna go and check out the glass gem corn with Allie Doodle because Cute Man came out here, my hubby, and he found one good ear. And the story is that we planted these last year and only got a couple good ears. Wasn't a good crop. Didn't grow real well. But I replanted these twice and they just don't look real big. So I want to see what we can possibly pull off the different stocks and see if the ears actually have kernels on them. If they actually grow the way they're supposed to, they're just gorgeous. They have gorgeous rainbow colors. They look like glass. So let's check it out. All right, here are our stalks. It's such a crappy growing season. A lot of them didn't even produce ears. What's this one doing? I'm going to try to hold on to the camera and take you with me. Oh, look at that! Oh, look how pretty that is. Ooh! Just pull this back. Isn't that beautiful? It's just tiny. I mean, it's not a real big ear corn. It makes me happy that at least something came out of it. What else do we have? Ooh, here's one. Here's an ear. Ooh, that's kind of pretty. Not fully filled in, but kind of like a blue, dark blue. Ooh. It has something gross on it and it's kind of throughout, so I think I'm going to leave it here. I think it might be smut. I'm not an agronomist, but I still want to capture the beauty of these colors before I toss it. Isn't that gorgeous? It's such a rainbow. Gorgeous. Look at those gorgeous kernels. Isn't that pretty? I gotta say, this is exceeding my expectations. I keep finding more and more and more. I've probably harvested at least 20 of them, and I'm not done. And look at how tall these plants are. They're super tall, and there's more ears. Like this one has like 2 more ears on it. Huh, there's another one here with an ear on it. Like, it's more than I expected, so I'm pleasantly surprised. Oh, look at them all. I was able to harvest 26 of these gorgeous glass gem corn ears. Aren't they great? Wow. That was way more than I expected. And I probably chucked about 10 of them that, were diseased or bugs got to them. I just can't get over how beautiful they are. They don't even look real. Wow, look at that one. Look at all that. Oh my goodness. They are just absolutely wonderful. Honest with you, I don't even know what I'm going to do with them. If you have ideas, let me know. Yes, you could decorate, you could do like a swag, you could put them in a bowl, add them to an arrangement. I might futz around with that because I just want them around. I think they're so gorgeous and they were fun to grow. Yay!